Hi everyone. Today we will do circle, right? Class 9, chapter number 10. It is circle. First of all, some basic understanding of circle, right? A circle, right, is always having a center O. The center is always denoted by O, and from the center, a line to anywhere on the circle, on the end part of circle, right? This line is known as radius. OA is your radius. Similarly, we can mention anywhere. All are your radius, right? All are your radius, right? Same line. Again, a line from here till here. OB, OB is also your radius, right? And a line passing through center, right? We also have a line passing through O, that is AB is your diameter. AB is your diameter, right? Next part in a circle, it is here. Let this point is C or D, right? They are joining the end point of circle. CD is your chord. We say it is chord, right? So in a circle there are many chords, right? We can make it here, right? Here there are many chords in a circle, right? We can also say diameter is also a chord, and diameter is the longest chord. Diameter is longest chord. Diameter is our longest chord. Now next we will move ahead, right? In a circle, right? One point is here A, another point is here B. So this part is known as arc. Arc. Similarly, it is here also. This is arc. Arc. Right? Suppose we take only one arc, right? Right now we are having A and B arc. Right? If we join these two arc, right, so you will get a chord. After joining these two arc, you will get a chord. And you can see if you cut from here, right? If you cut from here, you will see one arc, this is AB, and another arc. Again, this part is A or B. So this is known as minor arc. This is known as major arc. Major is बड़ा और ये minor arc हो गया, right? Next part, right? Again, you can see this is a chord, and chord divides the circle into two parts, right? This is a ये chord आपका, right? So chord divides the circle into two parts. One part is this one, and other part is the upper one, the which is white in color. So it divided into two segments. The bottom is known as minor segment, and the upper one is known as major segments, right? And we know diameter is also chord, so diameter divide into two equal segments. Two equal segments. Right, here we have done arc and segments. There minor arc and major arc, major segments and minor segments. Next is your center. Center is always O. Here this part A and B. We know AB is an arc, right? AB arc है, right? Or if you draw a line OA, it is a radius. OB is also a radius, and AB is a arc. The region between arc and the two radius, the region between arc and two radius is known as your sector. This part is known as sector, right? And sector, it always make an angle. This is your sector, right? So here also there are two sectors, right? If you cut here, so one sector is this one angle is here, and another sector is this one, the upper part, right? This is also sector. The which is in white in color is also sector R, and we are having two. Yeah, this is this is AB, and this is whole arc, and this is two radius center. This is major sector, and this is a minor sector. Major sector and minor sector. Now next, this is center again O and a line passing through the circle. Right? This is line. This is P and Q. This line is known as secant. This line is known as secant. This line is known as, the spelling is SECANT. Secant कहते हैं. It is completely passing. Right? The difference is secant and chord is inside it. And the line which crosses end point, it crosses, right? यहाँ से cross हो रहा है. This is known as secant कहते हैं. Right? Next is your, right, a circle diameter divided the circle into two equal parts, right? Two equal parts, and these are known as semicircle. This is diameter, so this is semicircle. Semicircle, right? You can see a semicircle here. Semi means अगर यहाँ से हटा देंगे, it becomes a semicircle. It is semicircle. Now next, this outer region is known as the outer region. The whole part it is known as circumference. Circumference. It is similar as perimeter, right? In square we say perimeter. Here we say circumference of circle. The total length from here, this the outside, the whole part. This is circumference, right? Suppose arc is here, A, B, and center is here. So this is O. This is B. So this is angle subtended by the arc, right? मान लिया, right? This is theta. So we can say angle subtended by arc at center, right? Arc at center. यानी angle कहाँ बना रहा है? Center बना रहा है. Similarly, right? This is angle subtended by arc at any point on circle. At any point on circle. Right? Next is your chord is AB, center OA here. Now this is, now we say angle subtended by chord at center. Center पे subtend किया chord ने. Angle subtended by chord at center. Next, concentric circle. Suppose a circle with center O, then another circle, then another circle, right? There are three circles and they are having all common center, that is O. So these are known as concentric circle. Concentric circle. Circle having common center O is known as concentric circle. Next part. Circumscribed circle. Circumscribed circle means, right, a circle, inside a circle there is a figure. It could be a triangle, it could be any figure, right? A circle, right? Inside a circle there is a figure, right? And another part is inscribed circle. It means inside a figure you are having a circle. एक सर्कल, right? फिगर के अंदर it is circle. Now we will do theorem of circle. The first theorem is equal chord of circle subtend equal angle at the center, right? We are having two chords AB and CD. Here AB equal to CD, right? And we have to prove that this angle is equal to this angle. These two angles are equal, right? So we know OA, right? Proof. We will write proof, right? OA. This OA is equal to OC. Right? We will take two triangles. in triangle, right, AOB and triangle COD. We are taking these two triangles, right? We will prove these two triangles congruent. We know OA is equal to OC, OA is equal to OC, this line is equal to ये इसकी इक्वल हो गया, OB equal to OD. रीजन, these are both are radius. ये भी क्या है, रेडियस है, राइट. O is radius, R is R and R, right? These are equal and we know AB is equal to CD, right? ये given है क्वेश्चन में, it is given, equal chord given है, then by right side, तो triangle AOB is equal to triangle COD, right, are equal by side, equal नहीं, sorry, they are congruent by side. If they are congruent, then आपका angle AOB is equal to angle COD by CPCT, right? It is known as corresponding part of congruent triangles. This is known as, right? This is proved. Hence, proved the first part. Now our second theorem. If the angles subtended by chord of circle at the center are equal, then the chord are equal. It means, right, you are having, right, this is a center O and these two are the chord, right, AB and CD, and this is the angle made by there, right, और यहाँ पर ये angle बना दिया, and it is given angle AOB is equal to angle COD. ये दोनों एंगल इक्वल है, राइट. वी हैव टू प्रूव राइट AB इक्वल टू CD. अब कॉर्ड को इक्वल प्रूव करना है, तो सेम प्रूफ, राइट. इन प्रूफ वी विल टेक ट्रायंगल AOB एंड ट्रायंगल COD, राइट. दिस साइड इक्वल टू दिस साइड, रेडियस, ये दिस साइड इक्वल टू दिस साइड, radius R, this is RR, right, all are R and this angle equal to this angle given है, so we can write angle, sorry, OA is equal to OC, right, radius, OB is equal to OD, again radius, रीजन क्या गया, radius, and angle AOB is equal to angle COD. You can see a side, then angle, a side. तो बीच में एंगल आ गया, दिस इज नोन एज साइड एंगल साइड. तो ट्रायंगल AOB congruent to triangle COD, right, by side angle side से, right. अगर ये इक्वल by side angle side से these two triangles are congruent, it means AB equal to CD. AB और CD इक्वल है by CPCT. This is by CPCT, both are equal. Now third theorem, the perpendicular from the center of circle to the chord bisects the chord. So it means center is O and chord name is AB and you are drawing a perpendicular. It means you are drawing a 90 degree, right? So जब भी आप from the center you draw a perpendicular to the chord, right, it divides the chord into two equal parts. So to prove bisect means two equal parts, AM is equal to DM. To prove these two are equal, right. So right, proof, we will take these two triangles, this angle, right. Triangle name will be OMA, right, and triangle name is triangle OMD, right. This is 90, right. OM is common, OM, right, कॉमन है, और ये आपका क्या है, दिस इज योर रेडियस R और R इक्वल है, तो बाय RHS वी कैन प्रूव दैट. So we can say here, let's here we can write OA is equal to OB, radius. OM is equal to OM common, और एंगल ओ एम ए इज इक्वल टू एंगल ओ एम बी 90 degree, both are 90 degree. So this is a property. If right one angle is 90, right, and this side and anyone this side are equal, right, एक hypotenuse equal होना चाहिए और कोई भी एक side equal होना चाहिए. तो these are congruent by RHS, right. So we can say triangle OMA congruent by triangle OMB by RHS, right angle, right. रीजन है कि there should be one hypotenuse और any other two sides 90 डिग्री आना चाहिए और एक hypotenuse कंपल्सरी आना चाहिए. जैसे यहाँ पर H आ गया आएगा क्या, राइट, इक्वल है. दिस इज आपका दिस इज दिस टू एंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट बाय RHS. तो अगर these two are congruent, then AM is equal to BM by CPCT. Now next theorem, the line drawn through the center of a circle to bisect a chord is perpendicular to down, right. कि आपने सेंटर से राइट एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर रखा है, राइट, अब वो कॉर्ड को क्या कर रहा है, बाइसेक्ट कर रहा है. इट मींस दिस लाइन इज परपेंडिकुलर. तो वी विल जॉइन दिस, राइट. तो दिस इज ए बी इज अ कॉर्ड. तो टू प्रूव OM, this part is M, OM perpendicular, this is line AB, right. So proof it again in triangle OAM, right, OAM and OBM, right. We know R, right, this side बीच में कॉमन आ जाएगा आपका. OA is equal to OB radius, right. आपका AM is equal to PM, again given OM is equal to OM, that is common, right. Side. So triangle OAM is equal to triangle OBM is equal to, sorry, congruent to triangle. These two are triangle are congruent by, right, side rule of congruency, right. अगर these are equal तो ये दोनों एंगल इक्वल क्यों होना चाहिए, this angle क्यों होना चाहिए, then angle OMA is equal to angle OMB by CPCT, right. ये दोनों एक ही लाइन में, तो सम ऑफ दिस शुड बी 180 and OMA, right, let plus OMB is equal to 180 by linear pair, right. let अगर ये x है, ये भी x होगा, तो x plus x कितना हो गया 180. how many x, 2x is equal to 180, right. 2x is equal to 180, right. x कितना आ गया 90 डिग्री. x is how much 90 डिग्री. x हमारा आ गया 90 डिग्री आ गया, राइट. तो अगर ये 90 हो गया, if this angle is 90, then this line, then OM perpendicular AB. Now next theorem is your equal chords of circle are equidistant from the center. Means equal chords AB and CD are the two chords. Here AB equal to CDA, right. And they are told कि अगर chords are equal, then they are at equidistance from center. अगर ये M है, ये N है, so we have to prove OM is equal to ON. ये प्रूव करना है, ये पार्ट और ये पार्ट, these two are equal, right. So we will take two triangles. Now proof in triangle OMA and triangle ONC, these triangle ONC and OMA, right. radius, right, equal chords है,
यानी कि हमें पड़ा ये और ये पार्ट इक्वल होना चाहिए इनके हाफ भी, राइट। राइट हो गया। नाउ ओ ए इज इक्वल टू ओ सी रेडियस, ए एम इज इक्वल टू, राइट, ए एम इज इक्वल टू एन सी, राइट, बोथ आर हाफ ऑफ ए बी एंड सी डी, and AB equal to CDA, AB equal to CD and 90 डिग्री, ये 90 ये भी 90 है, तो एंगल OMA is equal to एंगल ONC is 90 डिग्री। अगेन hypotenuse at 90 and one side आ गई, then these two triangles are congruent by OM, right, OMA triangle ONC are congruent, congruent का साइन ये होता है, तो congruent by RHS, these two are congruent by RHS। अगर congruent हो गए तो दोनों ट्रायंगल सिमिलर हो गए, सेम हो गए, इट मींस एंगल, सॉरी, अगर सेम हो गए तो OM इज इक्वल टू ON, OM एंड ON दोनों इक्वल आ गए, यही प्रूव करना था OM बाय CPCT, this how to prove, right? Now we can also prove the converse of this one, right? Converse means if these two if it is given कि OM and ON are equal, then prove that chords are equal, so same two triangle we have to take, right? OA is equal to OC आ जाएगा, OM is equal to ON आ जाएगा और 90 डिग्री आ जाएगा, so again by RHS we can prove that these triangles are congruent, right? Let's prove it converse. To prove that, right, the converse name is 36 inches. Chord of circle that are equidistant, from center, the equidistant from center of a circle are equal, right? कि ये बोला कि अगर जो chords हैं, chords AB and CD are the chords or they are equidistant, OM is equal to ON given है, right? This is given, right? OM is equal to ON given है, to prove AB is equal to CD हमें क्या प्रूव करना है? To prove, right, हमें to prove AB equal to CD प्रूव करना है, तो सेम two triangle we have to take, OMA and ONC we will take, here OA is equal to OC radius and here it is your given क्या है, OM is equal to ON, ये given है आपका, this is given and 90 डिग्री, OMA is equal to ONC 90 डिग्री, right? अगर ये 90 डिग्री है, right, then these two triangles are congruent by RHS, अगर RHS से इक्वल है then AM is equal to CN और by CPCT, AM का डबल करो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 करो, ट्वाइस AM is equal to CN, अब AM का डबल कौन होगा, this is AB, then AM AB is equal to CD, यही हमें प्रूव करना था, this we have to prove।